Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Lawyer Stuff. My name is Madhura Kulkarni and today we are going to learn about top 20 words those are commonly used in the court of law. So let us go ahead. Affidavit, that is Shapat Patra. An affidavit is a sworn statement given by a party in writing in presence of oath commissioner or notary public. Affidavit is generally used as evidence in the court proceedings. Appeal, that is Nivedan. Appeal is a process by which the correctness of the decision given by lower court or tribunal is questioned in the higher court. Arbitration. Arbitration is when two parties come together to resolve a dispute through a private dispute resolution method instead of going to the court. Bail, that is Zamanat. It is also called as bond. Temporary money or property of the defendant is given to the court just to ensure that the defendant will return to the court again. Petition, that is Yachika. It is a process of filing of bankruptcy documents, the basic information about the data, including name, address, the case under which it is filed, and the estimated asset and liabilities, and its amount is given in it. Issue of notice, that is notice jari karna. When a court decides to consider a matter, it asks the respondent why it should not be considered, that is show caused. It is given in a notice form, that is issue notice. Contempt of court, that is न्यायालय की मानहानि. When a party willingly disobeys the decision of the court, it can be held as contempt of court under the definition of civil contempt. When a party tries to lower the authority of the court, it can be defined under civil contempt. Precedent, that is namuna. It is a prior event that can be used as an example. Basically, it is a previous decision rather, given by the court, which can be used for the current decision also. Stay order. Stay order is an application filed seeking the interim court order from preventing the respondent for performing any action. Wakalatnama. Wakalatnama is a document that authorizes the advocate from representing himself and the party in front of the court. Writ and writ petition, that is writ or writ yachika. It is basically an order passed by the court and that has to be obeyed by any authority or person to whom it is issued. Ex parte, that is purva part. Basically, it is a proceeding in the court which is presented by only one party. It has no challenging or notice from any other side. Injunction, that is nishedadnya. It is a court order passed from preventing one or more parties from taking any action. A preliminary injunction is issued for the sake of fact finding, and later it is upon the judge to issue the permanent injunction or not. Parole, that is stoke. It is the release of the prisoner for a special purpose, that is temporary one, or complete release of a prisoner before expiry of his sentence. Proof of claim, that is दावे का सबूत. It is a form submitted by the creditor in order to receive money from the debtor who has been filed for bankruptcy. Settlement, that is मामले का निपटारा. Settlement is an agreement to resolve the dispute or conflict. Verdict, that is nirnay. It is a decision passed by the judge that determines the guilt or innocence of the defendant or the final outcome in the case of civil matter. Warrant. It is basically given to the law enforcement officer in order to arrest someone or in order to search for something. Dece- Discharge, that is mukta. It is a law order or law permission given to court, prison, or army in order to end their lawful duty. So, guys, here it is. We are ending up with the video. Thank you so much. I hope you liked it and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.